In this video, I am going to show you how to contact Bybit support. 1. Log into your Bybit account. Look for the support icon at the bottom right corner of the page and click on it. 2. A menu of list of common issues will appear. Select the issue that most closely matches your concern. If your specific issues isn't listed, you can choose a general inquiry options or proceed to contact support directly. 3. After selecting your issue, choose the live chat option to start a conversation. Initially, you may be connected to a chatbot designed to provide immediate answers to common questions. 4. If your issue requires more detailed assistance or if you prefer to speak with a human, you can type specialists in the chat. This command should redirect you from automated chatbot to a live specialist who can offer more personalized support. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.